Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do some color. The colors that I'm using is L'Oreal Color High in the color Red Fire and in the color Intense Red. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to start off by just combing her hair out and detangling it because she did have it in like a ponytail. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and comb it out, and then after I comb it out, what I'm going to do is mix the color. Now the instructions on how to mix the colors are on the box, or you can open the inside of the box and you'll see it there. So I'm just going to put both tubes of color in the mixing bowl. I started off with the Red Fire, and then I went ahead and put the Intense Red. They both came with I don't know if you want to call them like color boosters, but yeah, they both came with little tubes of red. I have used this in different colors and they didn't come with like an extra tube of color. Like all the color that you needed was in the main tube. So once I got all the products, and I'm trying to use all this product because I don't want to waste no money, baby. So I just go ahead and put the color in there, and what you guys want to do is remember to put on gloves. I forgot and it got all on my hands, but it's okay. So then I'm gonna add some developer to it. I just winged it with the developer. I recommend that you read the directions if you're not used to dealing with color. I do use color a lot, so you know I'm pretty cool with it. Now I'm just going to, I sectioned it off into 4 sections to start off with, and I'm just going to take the 4 sections and put subsections and start to add the color. Now we're doing like a ombre. We're not taking it all the way up to her roots because like that's just not the look we're going for. But yeah, basically what I'm doing is just adding the color. As you can see, I'm starting from the ends and going up toward the roots, but not on the roots. So this is how it looks once I applied all the color and I shampooed it and washed it out, and this is how it looks. It is really, really cute. So this is a really safe way to turn your hair red, just in case, you know, you don't want to bleach it or dye it. Well, bleach it. But this is the leave-in conditioner that I'm using. Now I'm just gonna trim her ends and straighten it. I'm going to start off by blow drying it. Now when I blow dry, I always try to focus on the roots first, because if you get the roots straight, then the rest of the hair is easy to come by. So you want to just go ahead and pull those roots out as good as you can, as good as possible, because pulling the roots out also helps with when it's actually time to straighten her hair. You won't have to put so much work into the roots because they're already straight. Alright, so as you can see, when I parted with the brush, her roots look very nice and straight before I even apply the flat iron. So that's what you want. That's how you want it to look. If you If you need to, you can take your time. With thicker hair, you may have to do smaller sections. Her hair texture is probably like a type 3, probably like a 3A, because she has really loose defined curls. So yeah. Alright, so now I'm going to add some Bio Silk to her hair. It's going to serve as a heat protectant, and it's going to help get her hair straightened. As you can see, I'm out. I'm just dabbing the little bit I got, girl. I'm struggling. I need to buy some more. So I'm just going to add it to her hair like so. Just, be sure to spread it around in each little section. And then I'm going to simply start flat ironing it. Now, as you can see, I'm taking small to medium sections, and I'm just going to start to flat iron it. Now, I do have different angles for you guys to see so that you can kind of get the gist of how I'm doing it. But it's really easy. The flat iron I'm using is a titanium heat flat iron. I actually need to get another one. It didn't get hot as quickly as it used to, so it's time for a new one. But it works pretty good. It got the job done. So after I'm completely done straightening, I'm just going to trim her ends. I'm not going to give her a cut. I'm going to give her a trim. So I'm just going to trim it up just a little bit. As you can see here, I'm just making sure that I get every strand of hair combed down. And then I'm going to just tackle these ends for her. I'm just going to cut it, straight across so that it'll look better with her new color, and it'll actually comb better. Once you get off those bad ends, girl, you notice that your hair feels completely different. And y'all, excuse them boxes in the background. I'm still slightly unpacking a month later, so just pray for your girl. So now I'm just going to bump the hair like so, and I bump it and then pin curl it just so it'll cool down, and it just sets the curl so that the hair will actually have some really nice body in it. So once the curls have cooled, I just take them down like so, and I just comb them out. And as you can see, her hair is moving better, and she does have body in it, which is what we want. And this is how it looks in the back. I loved how it turned out. She loved her new color, just in time for the holidays. So now I'm just going to add some of this edge tamer to her edges. just to finish the look, complete it all the way. And yeah, that's about it. I just add the edge control with my little edge brush that I got from the beauty supply store, by the way, and it was like 99 cents. So I went ahead and got two because, you know, sometimes you just lose things like this. So I just went ahead and bought two. And so yeah. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. This is how her color turned out. She loved it. I think it was really cute. Of course, like always, I do have pictures for you guys at the end, so continue to watch. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I post videos. Bye.